Imagine waking up above the highway, sunlight pouring through a glass sky lounge while the world rolls quietly beneath you. This isn't a hotel, and it's not a jet. It's the Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome 2027, a rolling statement that luxury travel no longer needs a destination because the journey itself has become the reward. Cadillac as a brand has always stood for American prestige, confidence, and comfort, and the SkyLounge feels like a bold extension of that DNA into the world of ultra-luxury motorhomes. While this 2027 SkyLounge is envisioned as a flagship limited production model, pricing is expected to live firmly in the elite space, likely starting around the upper six figures and climbing well beyond that with customization, putting it in the realm of private jets on wheels rather than traditional RVs. From the outside, the SkyLounge looks less like a motorhome and more like a futuristic Cadillac concept car stretched into architectural form. Sharp LED lighting signatures wrap around a commanding front fascia, a massive Cadillac crest anchors the design, and smooth, sculpted body panels flow toward the rear. The real showstopper is the elevated SkyLounge glass section, creating a panoramic crown that turns heads whether it's parked at a resort or gliding down the interstate at sunset. Step inside and the atmosphere changes instantly. This is not an RV interior, it's a rolling penthouse. Premium leather, real wood, brushed metal, and ambient lighting blend into a calm, lounge-like environment. The main living area feels open and serene, while the upper SkyLounge offers wraparound views, plush seating, and a social space that feels like a private luxury club in the sky. The bedroom suite is quiet and indulgent, the bathroom spa-like, and the kitchen designed more for gourmet living than campground survival. Under the skin, the SkyLounge is imagined with a powerful yet refined powertrain, likely combining a high-output V8 or advanced hybrid system engineered for effortless cruising. Performance here isn't about speed records, it's about smooth, confident motion. Even at highway speeds, the SkyLounge feels composed, unbothered, and steady as if it's floating rather than rolling. Behind the wheel, the driving experience is surprisingly calm for something of this scale. Adaptive suspension, precision steering assistance, and Cadillac's focus on ride comfort make long drives feel shorter. Wind noise is hushed. Road imperfections fade away, and the cabin remains tranquil, allowing the driver to feel in control rather than overwhelmed by the vehicle's size. Safety is treated with the seriousness you'd expect from a luxury flagship. Advanced driver assistance systems surround the SkyLounge with digital awareness, from adaptive cruise control and lane management to 360-degree cameras and automated braking. The goal is not just protection, but confidence. Confidence for the driver and peace of mind for everyone inside. Technology flows through the SkyLounge seamlessly. A massive digital cockpit integrates navigation, vehicle systems, and entertainment, while smart controls manage lighting, climate, privacy glass, and even energy usage. High-speed connectivity keeps you linked to the outside world, while premium sound systems transform the interior into a concert hall, whether you're parked or moving. For all its indulgence, the SkyLounge remains practical in its own luxurious way. Storage is intelligently integrated, living spaces adapt to different needs, and long-range capability makes extended travel realistic. Still, it's not without minor drawbacks. Its size demands confidence in tight spaces, fuel or energy costs won't be modest, and it's clearly not designed for casual buyers or narrow city streets. In the end, the Cadillac SkyLounge Motorhome 2027 is for those who believe luxury should move with them, not wait at the destination. It's for travelers who want presence, privacy, and prestige wrapped into one unforgettable experience. More than a motorhome, it stands out as a vision of how Cadillac could redefine ultra-luxury travel, where the road itself becomes the ultimate destination.